Hello, good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing good. I am also good. Now, today, children, we are going to learn a story, a very interesting story in English. Okay? But first, let me ask you a question. Do you lie sometimes? Yes? It happens sometimes that we lie, but do you know telling a lie is a very bad thing? No, we should not lie. So, we are going to read a story why we should not lie. Okay? But before that, we will be doing a subject introduction. We have already discussed what is English. We are going to read the subject introduction and then we will learn and read the story. So, let's get started.
Children, before starting the lesson, I want you to take a look at the subject introduction. We have already discussed it. Let us take a look. Subject introduction. English is the most commonly used language in the world as it bridges. Now there is a new word for you, bridges the gap between different languages. It is also known as global language. That means global language means the one which is spoken all over the world, sab jagah, all across the globe. By mastering this language, we can develop good communication skills. I told you language is a means of communication, right? So, by reading or by understanding this language, you are going to develop good communication skills. Now, in English alphabet, there are 26 letters, out of which you have 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, and there are 21 consonants. Okay? Now, I guess you have understood the subject introduction. Yes, I told you there is a new word, bridges. Bridges means bridge का काम क्या होता है? Yes, to make the two ends meet. So this is what English language does. If you know Tamil and I know Hindi, but both of us know English, then we can communicate with each other. Children, today we are going to learn a story from a very classic collection of stories book, which is Aesop's Fables. The spelling of Aesop is A-E-S-O-P-S. Aesop's Fables. Now, Aesop's Fables are a collection of stories written by Aesop. He is Aesop. Now, Aesop was an ancient Greek storyteller. So, he was a very good storyteller and he belonged to Greece. The story which we are going to read or learn from Aesop's Fables is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. So, let us have a look at the story. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy who took care of his sheep. He was very dedicated to his work. Every day, he used to take the herd of a sheep on top of the hill and bring them down in the evening. One fine morning, he felt really bored. Oh, I am feeling so bored. All the villagers work together, but here I am alone taking care of the sheep and no one else to talk to. What should I do? The boy wondered. Suddenly, he had an idea, but a wicked one. He went on the top of the hill and started shouting, "Help! Help! There is a wolf! He is gonna eat all our sheep! Help! Help!" Hearing the boy cry out for help, all the villagers came to the top of the hill to save the sheep. But reaching there, all they could see were calm sheep grazing the grassland. "You silly boy, where is the wolf? Why did you cry out for help?" The villagers were very angry and left the place, cursing the shepherd boy. "Ha ha ha ha, this was so much fun." The next morning, the shepherd boy was back again to the routine of taking the sheep for grazing. He found himself completely bored again. "Let's try the prank again." It was fun. The boy again went to the hilltop and started shouting, "Help! Help! There is a wolf! He's gonna eat all our sheep! Help! Help!" The villagers, once again after hearing the boy cry out for help, ran to save the sheep. But once again they were fooled by the boy. "This is not right. You should have to pay for this one day." The boy wondered. He did not have any regret and he laughed. "Ha ha ha, it was fun." And he went back home again with his sheep. One day, when he was lying under the tree while his sheep were grazing, he saw some sheep running here and there. After looking closely, he saw a wolf approaching the herd. The boy suddenly ran to the edge of the hill and started screaming for help. "Help! Help! There is a wolf for this real time. He is gonna eat all our sheep. Help! Help! Please help!" This time, the villagers did not pay any heed to the boy screaming. "Let's leave him. This time too he might be playing a prank on us." The boy kept on crying for help, but no one turned up this time. And he could do was stand there and watch his sheep getting killed by the wolf. He was very sad. "Oh, I should have not played that prank with the villagers. Nobody believed me when the wolf actually turned up. What should I do now? I have lost all my sheep." So children, from this story, we have come to know that we should not lie to anyone. We should always speak the truth. Now, let us read the lesson. Just a second, children. Let me turn on the pointer. Yes. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy in a village. He used to take his sheep to graze. Now, what do you mean by graze? Graze means to eat grass in a field. Graze in the nearby pasture. What is pasture? It is a land which is covered with grass. He stayed with the sheep the whole day and returned to the village in the evening. One day, Now listen children, there is a comma, so you have to pause for some time. The shepherd boy took his sheep to graze in the pasture near a dense forest. What do you mean by dense? Thick forest. That means ghana jungle. After he had left the sheep to graze in the pasture, he felt very lonely and bored. What do you mean by lonely, children? Lonely means when you are feeling alone. आपको कभी कभार लगता है ना हम घर पे कितने अकेले हैं. So that is what means lonely. Therefore, he thought of a trick. He ran towards the village and shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" feeling very scared and panicked. Now, this is a new word. Now, what do you mean by panicked? Panicked means to be afraid. Okay? All the villagers came running to the pasture. However, when they reached there, they didn't find any wolf in the pasture. Instead, the shepherd boy started laughing at them. Now it was so surprising that they went and the boy was laughing at them. They all got very angry when they realized that the shepherd boy had fooled them. The villagers scolded the boy and left from there, but the boy was extremely pleased with his prank. Now there is something, a new word, extremely. Extremely means बहुत ज़्यादा. Okay? With his prank. What is a prank? It is a trick. Okay? Sometimes we also prank our mummy papa by hiding somewhere, right? And they search for us all over the house. After a few days, the shepherd boy once again wanted to have some fun. He tried the same trick. He again shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" feeling frightened. What do you mean by frightened, children? Scared. Yes, some villagers came to help him again. But there was no wolf. They were enraged at the boy. Now, what do you mean by enraged? Enraged means they were very angry with the boy because he was playing tricks again and again, and because of it, the villagers each and every time they used to get panicked and they used to run at the hill. After a week, a wolf actually came out from the forest and started attacking the sheep. Now, what do you mean by attacking? To jump on someone, है ना? जब टाइगर छुपा रहता है उसे भूख लगी रहती है, so it jumps on the deer, it attacks the deer, right? So same way the wolf started attacking the sheep. The shepherd boy got very scared and shouted at the top of his voice. Now, what do you mean by the phrase shouted at the top of his voice? Means to call out loudly, जोर से चिल्लाना. Okay, so he called out loudly, "Wolf, wolf, please help, wolf, wolf." However, no villager came out to help the boy. They remembered the earlier times and thought that the boy was fooling them again. The wolf killed many of his sheep. The shepherd boy was very upset. When he came back home, he asked the villagers, "Why didn't you come out to help me?" They all answered, "Nobody believes a liar even..." Just a second. "Nobody believes a liar even when he speaks the truth." Thus, the shepherd boy regretted. What do you mean by regretted? Feeling sad and sorry about something. आप कभी कभार गलती करते हो तो आपको लगता है ना, अरे मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. That time you are regretting your mistakes. Okay, that you should not have done it like that. So regretting means feeling sad or and sorry about something. So the shepherd boy को भी बहुत बुरा लगा कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. Regretted his actions and was in great sorrow. Sorrow means he became sad about his lost sheep. So this was a very interesting story from Aesop's fables. So children, we learn from this story never to lie, right? Always speak the truth so that people believe you, because people do not believe liars. That is all for today, children. Thank you and